Alright, welcome back to FreeCodeCamp, and we're doing the Learn Modern JavaScript Methods by building a football team cards app. And you can find the previous courses on my channel, which is all done. So yeah, this is step 44. And in this step, we're going to add a new case for the midfielders that checks the player position property that equals to midfielder, following the same pattern in the previous step. So just like this up here. So we're gonna add a case, and this is gonna be midfielder. And then we're gonna have checks if the player position equals midfielder. So we're gonna do set player cards, the function set player cards, and then inside here we're gonna have the filter on players dot filter, and then inside the players filter we're gonna have a callback, empty callback. So equals just like this, without the curly braces because this is an implicit return. So inside the empty callback, the argument will be player, and this is gonna be we're gonna be checking the player dot position. And then if that equals to midfielder, spell that right, just like this. Oh, and we gotta add a break to the case so it doesn't run over. So now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a case for the defender, just like the previous step. So we're going to copy this over on line 209, paste it, and change the case name to defender. And then this wants us to check if the player position is equal to defender. So the player position is strictly equal to defender, just like this. Now step 46, we're going to do the same thing for goalkeeper. So we're going to paste whatever we had up here over, and instead of the case being defender, it's going to be goalkeeper this time. And then our it's going to check if the player position is strictly equal to goalkeeper. So the defender over here will be goalkeeper, and we're also going to have that break. So now step 47, we're going to add a default clause if none of the other cases matches the user's selection. So we could have So for the default clause, we're gonna call the set player cards function without any arguments passed into it. And then testing our drop down menu, you should see the player cards be filtered out by position or nickname. So we're gonna do default, and then the default will have the set player cards function, just like this. And this set player cards function shows all the player cards, just like this. And now we could test out our filter. So nicknames, all the defenders, the goalkeepers, and yeah, that was our app. And I will see you in the next video, which will be learning local storage by building a to-do app.